Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Owen from New Vendôme, Votre Maison, and today we have a new condo coming on the market officially February the 18th. Visits will be from 1 o'clock to 2:30 by appointment only. Now this particular condo is right on the water, the canal in Montreal. Beautiful views, 15 minutes from the Bell Center, the Atwater Market. It's centrally located. Now the great thing is also it has an indoor parking space. Don't have to worry about parking. If you have an electric car, you can get a connection for it. The second thing is, of course, one bedroom, one bathroom, extra large kitchen space that has many upgrades. If you or someone you know is looking to get into a beautiful condo here in Montreal, give me a call at 514-830-2151. I'm Kevin Owen. Bye-bye.